of the easiest and fastest way you can make money online without actually having so much experience or probably knowing how to code or how to do some programming or prompt engineering or whatever complicated skill out there it takes to make money is through transcription. Now, a lot is not being said about transcription, but I guarantee you that transcription is one of the ways you can actually transition into a stay-at-home mom or somebody who sits from the comfort of their home and makes money online without actually knowing how to do some complicated stuff. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do that. I'm going to show you how you can pass your transcription test, and not just that, I'm going to show you where you can actually get transcription jobs. And also, I'm going to tell you what you need to actually keep your transcription jobs, or what you actually need to get those jobs, all right? I know you want to do that and you want to learn this knowledge. Now, without further ado, let's hop right in. But before that, I need you to do something for me. I create content like this to support people like you who need this knowledge. All you have to do to support me in return is to actually drop a subscribe button for me, like this video so it gets in the face of more people, right? So let's go. Let me show you how this works. So then I'm going to show you a number of websites where you can actually get typing jobs. But very importantly, there's something you need to do, which is pass the typing test. Now, at the end of this video, at the latter part of this video, I'm going to show you how you can pass your typing test, all right? So you have to stick with me to the end to actually know how you can pass this test. You have to watch this video to the end, all right? Don't jump. If you jump any part of this video, please, you can't blame me for actually not passing your transcription test. So the first website is rev.com. Now, you can see rev.com says it's very, very explicit and straight to the point. It says fast, accurate transcription services. Get your audio and video files transcribed by the largest marketplace of experienced transcribers, guaranteed to be 99% accurate. So you need 99% accuracy. See, human transcription, English closed captions, and all that. So you want to come to the footer of this page and register for the job. First of all, you need to actually register. Come here on careers, click on careers. You can see influencers, affiliates, partners, yari, and all. You want to click on that and then give it some time to load, and then you can see join the Rev team. Rev is a startup based in San Francisco and Austin, building the most technological advanced platform for freelance work. We're looking for enthusiastic and talented people to join us in creating work opportunities for millions of people around the world. You click here to view openings, and boom, there you go. Now, the next website is 3playmedia.com. You see, the future of accessibility is human plus AI, right? So it's not just human, it's not just AI, it's also human based. A caption and transcription that tells your full story. So you want to come here and click on login, but you do not have a login. So to do that, you have to actually register. You go to the footer and do the same thing you did for the previous website, right? Now, I'm trying to, do this as fast as I can so I can show you how you can pass the transcription test without making this video too long. The next website is gotranscript.com. 100% human-made transcription services, right? You can see how it works. Now you come here, you see services, you see pricing and all that. You also go to the footer of this website. You will see careers. You can see careers, so you click on careers and you go, and you're good to go. The fourth website here is waywithwords.com. Audio to text solution with a human touch. Very simple. You can see this guy looks like he's transcribing something. He's listening to an audio and transcribing. You do the same thing. You go to the footer of the website, go to careers, and then boom, you're good to go. Next thing, of course, is how you can pass your transcription test. So the first thing you want to do when trying to get a transcription job is actually understand how transcription jobs work, all right? Now, it's very important that you understand that it's not just going to fall on your laps. You would need to actually pass some tests to get the transcription job, right? Now, it's not going to be fair to you that I only tell you about the prospects in transcription jobs, and I also tell you where you can get these jobs, but I really don't tell you what you actually need to do to get these jobs, right? It's only going to be fair for me to tell you what to expect. And one of the things you will expect is that there's going to be an entrance exam. One thing that I need to do for you is actually prepare you for this entrance exam. There are two things that you need to be a very good transcriber. One is your listening skill. The other is actually your typing skill. Now, you do not have a problem if you are not good with all of this. I'm going to show you that in this video, all right? Now, the first thing you want to do, right, is to actually pass your listening test. Now, to actually learn how to do this listening, you just have to come on your Google Play and type IELTS practice listening audio test. And this is what is going to come out for you. All you have to do is to click on this, right? And it's going to bring you here. You see IELTS practice listening test part 1. It says this is the first part of your listening test. listen to the audio and answer questions 1 to 10. You can see there is one here. To listen now, left click on the link, blah blah blah, how to do that. So you just gotta click on this, all right, listen and answer the question. Now, transport from Bayway, what they're asking, literally all these questions are questions that are related to what you just listened to, right? Now you want to keep doing this until you know very well that you have a very good level of listening, because they're not going to be giving you audios that are spoken in accents that you are used to. It's literally going to be audios from different area of accent, British, Latino, you know, Spanish, English, but all of it is going to be in English, right? But they're going to come in various accents, which you need to decipher. And for you to do that, it's very important that your listening skill is pretty good, right? So that's one thing you want to do, all right? So this is where you actually get to practice and practice before actually taking the official listening test, because you do not want to do that and then you end up failing and failing and failing again. Another thing that you need to be good at is typing, because it's about transcription, right? You listen and you type. Now, how fast you can type is how much you can make, because the faster you can type, the more you can transcribe, and the more you can transcribe simply means the more you would earn. Right? So now you come on this website called typingtest.com, typingtest.com, and then you can see different tests, 1 minute test, medium test. All you have to do is to start test, click on start test, and it's going to present to you areas of tests that you want to, you know, practice with. And once you start, you can see if you lose. So I'm just going to start typing this right now, right? So you see clearly I'm wrong from my start. So I'm just going to come here and start typing like this. You can see. So literally you just keep doing this. You just keep doing this. So excuse me. So you just keep doing this until you know you have a very good level of typing skill. Then you can start applying for your jobs. You can see what I'm doing. Now this is how you test if your typing is actually good. This is how you will test it. All right, guys. So that's that about typing. Now